Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is your daily dose of next-level machines, future rides, and unbelievable automotive innovation. If you love powerful touring bikes, luxury engineering, and wild custom concepts, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into something that looks straight out of the future and feels even more shocking in reality. This is the Honda Goldwing GCT Trike 2026. A machine that completely redefines what a touring motorcycle can be. The Honda Goldwing has always been known as the king of long-distance touring. But the GCT Trike version takes that reputation to an entirely new level. Instead of the traditional two-wheel layout, this beast rolls on three wheels, giving it unmatched stability, comfort, and road presence. From the first glance, the design feels bold, wide, and muscular. Yet it still carries that premium Honda elegance that Goldwing fans instantly recognize. The front end stays true to the classic Goldwing identity, featuring sharp LED headlights, a massive windscreen, and aerodynamic fairings designed to cut through air effortlessly. But once you move toward the rear, everything changes. The dual rear wheels transform the bike into a true luxury trike, offering a planted stance that feels confident even when standing still. The wider rear body isn't just about looks. It's about balance, safety, and control, especially on long highway journeys under the body. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT Trike is expected to use an advanced version of Honda's legendary 1,833cc flat-six engine. This engine is famous for its smooth power delivery, near-silent operation, and massive low-end torque. On a trike platform, that power feels even more refined. Acceleration is smooth, effortless, and perfect for cruising at high speeds without stressing the rider. Whether you're climbing mountain roads or gliding across endless highways, this engine is built to perform all day. One of the biggest advantages of the GCT Trike setup is stability. Unlike traditional motorcycles, the Trike doesn't demand constant balancing at low speeds or while stopping. This makes it an excellent option for riders who want comfort without compromise. Sharp turns feel controlled, braking feels stronger, and the overall ride inspires confidence, even for less experienced riders or those transitioning from cars to bikes. Technology is where the 2026 Goldwing GCT Trike truly shines. Honda is known for packing its flagship models with cutting-edge features, and this Trike is no exception. A large digital TFT display dominates the cockpit, providing navigation, ride data, and multimedia controls in crystal clarity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and voice control are expected to be standard, turning every ride into a connected luxury experience. Comfort is another area where this Trike absolutely dominates. The seating is wide, plush, and ergonomically designed for long hours on the road. Both rider and passenger enjoy heated seats, generous legroom, and an ultra-smooth suspension system tuned specifically for the Trike's weight and geometry. The rear suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, making rough roads feel almost invisible. This is not just a ride, it's a rolling luxury lounge. Storage is massive, which makes the Goldwing GCT Trike perfect for touring and travel. The rear trunk and side compartments offer enough space for helmets, luggage, and travel gear, all secured with Honda's premium locking system. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this Trike is ready to carry everything you need. Safety has also been taken seriously in the 2026 model. Advanced braking systems, traction control, riding modes, hill start assist, and possibly even adaptive cruise control make this Trike one of the safest touring machines ever built. With three wheels gripping the road and Honda's electronics managing power delivery, riders can focus more on enjoying the journey and less on road stress. What truly makes the Honda Goldwing GCT Trike shocking is how it blends motorcycle soul with car-like comfort. It's not just for hardcore bikers, and it's not just for casual riders. It sits perfectly in between, offering freedom, power, luxury, and confidence all in one futuristic package. This is the kind of machine that turns heads at every stop and makes every ride feel special. As we move closer to 2026, machines like this show us where the future of touring is heading. More comfort, more technology, and more accessibility without sacrificing performance. The Honda Goldwing GCT Trike isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement that touring has evolved. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Honda Goldwing GCT Trike 2026 and love discovering futuristic rides, luxury trikes, and next-gen vehicles, make sure to support the channel. Hit the like button, share this video with fellow bike lovers, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, keep riding forward, and I'll see you in the next video.